everybody, welcome to Drawing for Kids. Enjoy watching and hope you all are entertained. Today I will draw and color the Master Chef character in the game. Stumble guys, let's go! Wow, amazing! And it's time for us to color this Master Chef's picture friend. Let's go! Pale baby blue. Black. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here, there, everywhere. Pastel peach. MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a cream, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a red, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a yellow, there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Black. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Chestnut brown. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here, there, everywhere. Hooray! Finally finished also drawing and coloring the Master Chef character from the game. Stumble guys. Thank you for watching this video from start to finish. Don't forget to watch the next video. Bye bye.